Gratitude list. Creating a gratitude list is a perfect way to feel more optimistic and happier. It only takes a couple of minutes a day and produces positive changes in your life attitude. Learn how to make a list of things you are grateful for. You can start by writing down at least 5 things every time you create a list. Use a notebook or your computer. Or try special gratitude apps. Try to be as specific as possible. Include as much detail as possible and focus on new experiences and people rather than objects. This is your personal list. Don't worry about formatting, grammar, or spelling, as you are the only person to see it. A great time to write a few things down is every night before you go to bed, so it is the last thing that you think about. Periodically look back at your list when you are feeling sad or upset. A little mindset shift may be all you need to focus on something that helps you feel happier.